What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, while XRP sits at a price of 111, literally it's at $1.11 right now, 111. I just wanted to point that out before it changed. I'm thinking back to those times when, I mentioned the fact that it would be at a low point at a dollar, a low point of $1.50, a low point of $2, and we would start to move up and see the $3, $4, $5 price range, the $10 price range become more of a reality. The fact that I said that a $100 billion market cap is not the goal for XRP. The short term goal is a $200 billion market cap. And people laughed in the comments. You're hilarious. It will never happen. It'll barely break 40 billion, that's what people said. In the live streams, people commented. Experts that believe that they were experts believe that XRP would never be worth more than Solana again. And guess what? XRP was the third largest cryptocurrency in the world, passing USDT, Tether, at $150 billion. And guess what? It didn't only stop there. It got to a $210 billion market cap. Billion, with a B, 210 billion. That's the only other cryptocurrency to do that. We did see BNB that made some huge moves. Solana also got up to about a $200 billion market cap. But we're seeing coins reach unprecedented numbers, right? Numbers that a lot of people didn't believe that they would hit. But you know what? I did. I did say that we would see multiple hundreds of billions of dollars. And guess what I said after that? That we would see trillions of dollars for a market cap. And I'm not going back on my word. I think we will see that. Now, did I give a timeline? No, I didn't say it would happen very, very soon. But I did say that we would see trillions of dollars. I did say that we would see hundreds of billions. And guess what? We did. So I want to talk about that and kind of harp on that, because people like to stick around whenever things are going on a negative road or falling down. They like to stick around and say, oh, well, see, I told you so. Did you really tell me so? Right? Because it's the bottom of this is where you thought the top would be. It's crazy, right? So anyways, guys, let's talk about that further in this video. If you guys could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out today's video sponsor is iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital is offering you something with crypto that you've never seen before. You have a retirement account that you can have with your company or just a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. You don't have that opportunity with cryptocurrency. Well, now you do. iTrustCapital is offering you a traditional or Roth IRA option that you guys can sign up for. And what's the benefit of having an IRA? If you guys are holding long term or have cryptocurrency that's set aside and you're like, I'm never going to sell this, right? I'm just going to hold this and I'm going to see this growth. Like an XRP going from $1 to $100 and you have 100,000 of it. You can make so much money out of that by seeing that. However, if you're with an exchange, you pay a crazy amount in taxes. For a Roth IRA, over time, you don't have to pay anything in taxes, right? You pay zero. All of the taxes are eliminated with a Roth IRA as long as you get to the withdrawal age. If with a traditional IRA, taxes are deferred so you can compound those gains over time. You don't have to worry about taking any type of profit and going, oh, well, you know what? I got to pay taxes on this. A $50,000 profit would give you $7,000 in taxes that you would have to pay, estimated, right? Maybe a lot more, depending on if it's short term or if it's long term. So definitely go ahead and check out the link down below for the Roth IRAs. If you guys want to take a forever balance and throw it over there, that's what I'm consistently doing, just so that I have my future set for me, my children's future also set for them, and I don't have to worry about any of the other money that I'm dealing with, because I can make money over here and I can have my retirement over here. So check out the link for Roth IRA for iTrustCapital's Roth IRA, traditional IRA packages. But also thank you, iTrustCapital, for sponsoring this video. But let's go ahead and talk about XRP. XRP currently stands at $1.11. It is down by about 1% today. And we're seeing a $69 billion market cap with $1.74 billion worth of volume. The circulating supply is 62 billion and the holders 534,000. Now, I'm stuck on this because I've said many things about XRP. I've said that it's going to be worth a lot more than you think, And depending on who was talking, maybe it's worth a heck of a lot more than we think. Or somebody is a little too optimistic and we see it worth a lot more in their mind, but it's not worth as much. If we take into account a realistic perspective, which you always have to have, and understand that this is a speculative market and bring in history that we saw with other sectors that were speculative, like the internet, right? And dealing with Web 2 and just all of that stuff, right? Seeing the growth of different businesses and companies and all that. You now bring in that speculation, you can see that growth that's hundreds and hundreds of percent. That's what we kind of look into here. And XRP is one of those that can really take over because it can be heavily used in the world, right? It's not something that's just like, oh, it's growing because it's growing. It's a cryptocurrency that if anybody asked, what is cryptocurrency for, or what can it be used for, this is what you would like it to be used for, to be able to utilize it in the banking world, to partner with banks, to be able to send it person to person, to have fast transactions that happen immediately, to go country to country and be able to cross that barrier very quickly by going, all right, we'll send you the money, happens instantly, you send over whatever the product is or whatever the export is or import at that moment. So it can be huge for not only just one country, it can be huge for every country. And what makes it interesting is the fact that we are investing into the currency itself and being able to see that currency spread like a wildfire, right? So when people said XRP would not get past the 30 or 40 billion dollar market cap again, I remember that because I was just like, all right, we'll see that when it comes to it and I will call it out. And I've called it out maybe once, but I feel like it needs more energy because I've recently seen one of those people come back. I went through all the comments that they've talked about because they brought up a comment saying XRP is not going to be worth what you think it is. At max, it's going to be worth $3. And you go back to their comments saying that it will never be worth more than $40 billion. And to say that it won't reach or pass Solana and all of this other stuff. It's just so funny because I have the history. You don't, right? You may want to go back and delete what you said, but you can't find it because there's so many videos, so many live streams, and all of that. But I can see it once I click on your name, all of the history pops up. It's so interesting what YouTube has done. But yeah, this is why this video has come about. XRP may explode to $10 soon. I said that recently we may see a drop, 65% drop to maybe below $1 before we see it break out to that $10 mark. The reason why this is falling is not because of XRP. It's falling because of the market. XRP is a play that many people believe in, right? We're talking about governments as well. We're talking about high profile individuals, a lot of people that have a ton of money. They believe in the best cryptocurrencies that are in this market: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, those that have hit multiple hundreds of billions of dollars worth of a market cap. XRP is one of those. And this person that has said that XRP won't be worth a lot, you know who you are. You were wrong about that. And it's great to see the level of growth. Am I upset about it coming down to $1.11? Not really. I said that we may see it decrease, and this was at like $2 and some odd cents. I think $2.20 something cents. That we would see it drop down 65% before we see it increase to $10. I have a video out there about it. So, what's next to come? A $200 billion market cap, a $300 billion market cap, a $500 trillion market cap. I think these things will happen. And it's not set in stone. I'm not always right. But I also don't give you a timeline to say this is going to happen within 5 months. I know that all of this is speculative. And as we look at the timeline, the cycle may not be the same. The cycle may have completely changed. And that's the way that it looks because we haven't seen an altcoin season. We saw Bitcoin run to $120,000, $130,000. We saw XRP get up to almost the all-time high, but it should have surpassed it in an actual altcoin season. It should have gotten to a $500 billion market cap, if not a $1 trillion market cap, with all the hype and all the attention on crypto itself. It's all just a buildup. And it's just very interesting to me to see where it stands here today. So just wanted to call that out. Literally just wanted to not have much structure to this video, but have more of a call out and more of just a conversation and say what is on my mind. That's basically what I wanted to do here. So if you guys liked it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, check out my link for iTrustCapital. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.